Yeah, it's great. This good morning sounds better than what it was early in the morning. Okay. When I came into the stage, Anand said, Naren, you have 10 minutes. It takes years to identify a talent, but for a speaker like us, we get 10 minutes to tell how to identify the talent. Okay? I know this is a challenge, but let me take it as a challenge and tell what exactly is the talent. Okay? There are a lot of definitions for talent, but today HR has evolved. Earlier we used to call it as a personal department, then it became HR department, then it becomes strategic HR. Now they're calling it itself as a talent management department. Some companies have also identified and developed talent management VPs. Okay, vice presidents for talent management. That shows the kind of seriousness that is happening. And now what exactly is talent? Can anybody tell me any of your views about it? What is talent? Don't get into sports. Don't get into films. From the corporate perspective, what is talent? Unique potential, okay? Application of knowledge and talent, okay? Any other answers? Okay. When a fresher is recruited, on what basis he is recruited? What is the reason for recruiting a fresher? He has got new ideas along with skill, enthusiasm. For enthusiasm, we need to pay 25,000 rupees salary. Huh? Attitude, ability to do the job without having experience, open mind. A fresher is recruited for one great reason called this person has the ability to learn. All fresh MBAs, remember this, I'm going to recruit you because you can learn. There are a lot of things you need to get trained on. Okay? Now let us get into what exactly is the talent management that is happening in the organizations today. See, the first and the foremost thing is we need to spot a talent and develop a talent. There are three ways of looking into talent. They hire a fresher. This person keeps growing in the system. After 2-3 years, they find this guy is very potential here. He's a raw diamond. We can shape him. And once they know this guy can make it up, they focus on him. They try to see what are his positives. They try to see what can be given as a training for this gentleman. And then I come into a scanner. And slowly, that is the time where what happens in a country is people quit. Less than 3 years, they quit. By the time they are spotted as a talent, they try to go to some other company, which will take another 3 years for them to spot a talent. Friends, what I am telling is happening. 2 years of work experience, after that you can put your salary high. That's what is happening. 2 years, after that you can get 30% hike. But we are forgetting that in 2 years they did a lot of work on you, and third year they are ready to do something good for you, and they are going to put you into a talent pool. But by that time I escape. You got a lesson? Stay in a company for some time. Okay? Sometimes what happens is, there are people who are already working in the system, they've been in the system for a long time. They are a talent, I need not train them. The only thing is, issue is how to retain these people. They've been in the system for 7 years. They get offers. Initially, you go behind companies, excuse me sir. After that, there is a call from a consultant, excuse me sir, can I speak?